If you're frustrated with lackluster car washes and spending too much time scrubbing away grime, it might be time to upgrade your cleaning game with a foam cannon. But with so many foam cannons in the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why, in this video, I'll be going over the top 6 best foam cannons. Whether you're looking for the best value or a budget-friendly one, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Tool Daily Foam Cannon. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. It comes with a 1/4-inch quick connector, 1 litre, and 5 pressure washer nozzle tips. This thing is a must-have for anyone who loves keeping their car super clean without breaking a sweat. Turn your regular old pressure washer into a magical cleaning machine that blasts away dirt and grime with thick, fluffy foam. So, how does it work? This foam cannon hooks up to your pressure washer with a 1x4-inch quick connector, which makes it super easy to attach and detach. No hassle, no fuss. Just click it in and you're good to go. The bottle holds 1 litre of your favourite car soap, which means you can cover your entire car in one go without constantly refilling. Now, the real magic happens with the 5 different pressure washer nozzle tips that come with it. You've got options for every cleaning job, from a gentle rinse to a powerful blast that can tackle the toughest dirt. The foam cannon mixes the soap and water just right to create that thick foam that sticks to your car, lifting away dirt and grime without scratching the paint. Give your car a luxurious spa treatment right in your driveway by covering it in a blanket of rich, bubbly foam, just waiting to be rinsed off to reveal a sparkling, clean surface. That is fun and satisfying too. Overall, the Tool Daily Foam Cannon is a must-have for anyone who wants to make car washing easier, faster, and way more fun. Number 5 is the Chemical Guys Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon. If you're into keeping your car, boat, or even your house super clean, this foam cannon is about to become your new all-time favorite gadget. First, this thing has a 34-ounce bottle, which means you can load it up with plenty of your favorite soap and get to work without stopping to refill it all the time. That's a big deal when you're tackling big cleaning jobs. It hooks up easily to your pressure washer, so you can turn a regular cleaning session into a foamy, fun experience. What makes it so cool? Well, as the name suggests, it's got a huge opening that lets out a thick, fluffy layer of foam. It's like giving your ride a bubble bath. Using it is super easy too. Just connect it to your pressure washer, fill it with soap and water, and you're ready to go. The foam cannon does all the mixing for you, creating that perfect, satisfying foam every time. Clean your car while spraying it down with a thick layer of foam and watching all the dirt just slide off. It makes cleaning not only effective, but also a lot more fun. However, it's on the pricier side compared to other foam cannons on the market, especially when factoring in the cost of a compatible pressure washer. Plus, some users have shown dissatisfaction over its plastic components, but overall, the Chemical Guys Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon makes washing your car, boat, or house quicker, easier, and way more enjoyable. Number 4 is the MJJC Foam Cannon S V3.0. If you're all about keeping your car super clean without much effort, this is the tool you need. This foam cannon has this awesome thicker snow foam technology, which means it creates an extra thick foam that sticks to your car like magic. The bottle holds 34 ounces, so you've got plenty of soap to work with. Plus, it has a 1/4-inch quick connector that makes it super easy to attach to your pressure washer. No tricky setups here, just snap it on and you're good to go. The foam not only looks cool, but also works hard to lift dirt and grime off the surface. So when you rinse it off, your car looks shiny and new. It's like giving your car special treatment every time it gets dirty. Using the MJJC Foam Cannon S V3.0 is not only super effective, but also a lot of fun. It makes washing your car feel less like a chore and more like an awesome science experiment. So, if you want to make car washing quicker, easier, and a whole lot more satisfying, this foam cannon is a must-have. And if you want to know the latest prices for the foam cannons discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is Adams Polish's Premium Foam Cannon. If you're all about keeping your car sparkling clean with minimal effort, this foam cannon is the favorite tool for car detailing enthusiasts. Spraying your car with a thick, fluffy layer of foam that makes all the dirt and grime vanish. Here's how it works. This foam cannon connects to your pressure washer with a 1/4-inch quick connect, making it super easy to set up. Just snap it on, fill the canister with your favorite soap, and you're ready to go. The canister is designed to mix the soap and water perfectly, so you get that amazing, thick foam every time. Cleaning your car is a breeze with this gadget. Just hook up Adams Polish's foam cannon to your pressure washer, and with a few sprays, your car is covered in rich, luxurious foam. It's like giving your car the ultimate bubble bath. The foam sticks to every surface, lifting away dirt and grime without you having to scrub like crazy. Overall, the Adams Polish's premium foam cannon is a top-notch choice for car enthusiasts, offering an exceptional car wash experience. This foam cannon soap sprayer delivers a thick, luxurious foam that makes cleaning your vehicle not only efficient, but also fun. The sprayer canister is designed for optimal performance, ensuring a pristine showroom-quality shine every time. Number 2 is the Griot's Garage Brilliant Finish Foam Cannon. This is the best value foam cannon on our list. If you're into keeping your car looking fresh and clean without too much hassle, this foam cannon is going to be your go-to gadget. The Griot's Garage Foam Cannon is super easy to use. It connects to your pressure washer with a 1/4-inch quick connector, so you don't have to mess around with complicated setups. Just click it in place, fill up the bottle with your favorite car soap, and you're ready to roll. The bottle is big enough to hold a good amount of soap, so you won't have to keep stopping to refill. Using the Griot's Garage Foam Cannon makes car washing not just easier, but a lot more enjoyable. It's super satisfying to see all that foam doing its job, and your car looking better than ever. Plus, it's great for the paint job since the foam helps prevent scratches from dirt. Overall, the Griot's Garage Brilliant Finish Foam Cannon is a fantastic tool for achieving a professional-level clean on your vehicle. It delivers a thick, rich foam that effortlessly lifts dirt and grime, making the washing process both effective and enjoyable. Designed for use with a pressure washer, this foam cannon ensures a thorough and even application, leaving your car looking brilliantly clean every time. Number 1 is the Chemical Guys Torq Max Foam 8 Professional Foam Cannon. This is the best overall foam cannon on our list. It keeps your ride clean without all the hard work. This foam cannon has a 32-ounce bottle, so you can load it up with plenty of soap and get to work without constantly stopping to refill. It's super easy to use too. Just hook it up to your pressure washer with the quick connect and you're ready to go. No complicated setup, no fuss. What's great is this foam cannon works on everything: cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, RVs, you name it. It makes washing anything with wheels or without super fun and satisfying. Plus, it's gentle on your paint, helping prevent scratches. Overall, the Chemical Guys Torq Max Foam 8 Professional Foam Cannon is a top-tier choice for anyone serious about vehicle care. Its 32-ounce bottle produces thick, luxurious foam that clings to surfaces, effectively lifting dirt and grime from cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, RVs, and more. This foam cannon ensures a thorough and satisfying cleaning experience, leaving your vehicles sparkling clean and looking their absolute best. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect foam cannon much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.